What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Once again, we are going to talk about 2017, 2018, and 2019. For those of you that want to turn on OCR, I covered it talking about the 11 through 16s and even my 20, but I did not cover these three model years here. But tonight, I'm going to show you how to turn OCR using an IDS scan tool and my VCM so that you guys can be on top of your DPF status. All right, guys, let's check this out. Thanks so much for tuning back in today. This is a local customer and subscriber who reached over to me, there she is, and wanted to take care of some issues he was having regarding a check engine light, a little bit of an oil leak, and wanting to get OCR turned on. Now, this vehicle has 53,000 miles on it, and I preach all the time about turning on OCR function and being able to check out the fullness in the DPF so that you can better drive your vehicle in the mindset of knowing how full that DPF is. You don't want to keep driving and shutting the vehicle off if you're constantly at 90%. Take that thing on the interstate, drive it, blow it out, get it hot. Complete a regen. We don't want to have it keep building up, and you guys obviously are going to know what happens. So using IDS, I'm going to cover this in ForeScan as well. I'm still learning how to use it, and I'm getting more fluent, and that video is going to be coming here shortly, but I'm going to stick with IDS right now. And once you identify the vehicle, you want to go up to the toolbox, and in the toolbox there's going to be module programming. Go ahead and click on your module programming, and then go down and click on programmable parameters. Typically, the 11 through 16s have always been under personality, but it is not there anymore. It's actually going to be under fuel. So once we tell the vehicle we are good to go and have the key on, there is going to be two selections, and we are going to have to enable them using the scan tool. Automatic regeneration disabled. We want to enable that. Diesel exhaust filter manual regen. We want to enable that. We're going to go down here to the tick mark, check mark, whatever you want to call it. It is going to actually download some calibration files from the Ford server so that this can be turned on and utilized. So anytime right now, it is going to tell us that it has been programmed. So the next prompt it gives us to make sure the ignition switch is on, it is on. It's going to do a couple of reboots. Module configuration complete. And then to just double check, you are going to use the left steering wheel switch pack buttons to go over to truck info, and then you are going to scroll down to diesel particulate filter status, and you're going to see that your exhaust filter is 60% full. Now, those guys that are going to ask the question, now when can I clean the filter? It's only going to allow you to clean it when that says 100%. And then it's going to ask you if the exhaust is clear. And then it's going to ask you, do you want to clean it? And then you're going to hit yes. It's going to do the exact same thing that you have seen it do on my videos where the engine RPM goes up and the fan comes on, no problem. The other question I get asked a lot is, if I turn this on, is the truck going to still do a regen by itself? Absolutely it is. I did not turn off its function to do a manual regen by itself. To do a normal regen by itself, I'm merely adding on the ability for the truck to display that in the instrument cluster for the owner operator and anybody driving these Power Strokes. It is a must to know how full my DPF is. I think it's very crucial. I don't know why that's not turned on from the factory. I've had some other subscribers tell me that they've been to the dealership and they have absolutely no idea what OCR is. I don't know what to say about that other than we are here to teach, we are here to educate, and we are here to keep these Power Strokes on the road for 1,000,000 miles plus. Tell me what you think about this in the comment section below. If anybody has ever had to have a dealer turn on OCR, or did you use Forescan to turn it on yourself? Tell me in the comment section. Remember to like, comment, sub, share, and I'll catch you guys all next Friday.